Okay, the biggest tree in Mexico City supposedly is a cypress. Biggest tree in the world is cypress. And I got a seed, and I grew this thing. And that's as big as it got over a lot of years. They're real slow growing. But I had this come up. And I don't know why I didn't pull it out before, but I think this one killed that one. You know, this is an African sumac. And I've been fucking with it, but it's still solid. I was thinking of drilling a hole and putting a hook in it, screwing a hook in and pull it out with my backhoe. But then I thought of a better idea. You know what we're going to do? We're going to blow it up. So I'm going to drill a hole, stick this thing in there. I got to make the fuse longer. I got some fuse. And then we're going to blow it up and see what happens. These are pretty powerful. My friend mate got me these. I got a bigger one, but I thought I'd try this little one first. All I got to do is extend this fuse. Alright, let's work on that. Well, that was taking forever, so I'm going to try the instructions. Accelerator. It says spray some on that one end. I'm going to try a drop. Maybe I should do it on here. I don't glue it to the fucking table. Really? Why are you being so difficult? Put one more on. More accelerator. I should probably look it up, ask AI, hey, how do you splice fuses? I was thinking a piece of paper, you know, butt them up and glue them on top of little piece of paper together where they're sticking together, but let's see how this works. Let's see if this, where can I put it? I'll put it on this ashtray. Oh, guess what? It doesn't work. It doesn't work if you super glue them together. Did you know that Thomas Edison tried like 10,000 different ways to make a light bulb until he finally figured it out? 10,000 ways. Can you believe that? Alright, I gotta have another plan. You know, every problem has a number of solutions. And there's always a better solution that you think of after some time. And guess what? I just pulled out this little tiny fuse and I cut this end at an angle. They say you're not supposed to use stuff like this, but this one I think is okay. Because there's a chance that you could set off the fuse, I guess. But anyway, I cut some fuse at an angle. Like that. And I stuck it in there. It was pointy, now I'm going to super glue it. I mean, hot glue it. So there you go. I don't have to fuck with splicing fuses. I found this little thing on the street and it works pretty good. If you can line up the glue. Oh, it's starting to work. I'll let it heat up a little bit more. But I just think cute. Cute little glue gun. Yeah, this stuff is dangerous. I mean, this isn't that dangerous, I don't think, but see, I was going to tape it, but I didn't. I said, screw that. Get this hot glue off. Alright, let's find a drill. I'll fit this. Where did I put my drills? No. Oh, right here, I think. Yeah, here we go. Okay, we gotta find a drill. Yeah, I know, I've got a mess. Kill me. Shoot me. That's too small. That one would do it probably. Certainly long enough. Yeah, let's try this one. Alright. Place. There's Greystoke. Yeah, I'm just hoping that, I mean, this thing's starting to come back, you know, it has little shoots. Why I let this thing get so out of hand, I'll never figure out. I was thinking it was giving shade for the dogs, but I didn't realize that, you know. And I don't know if that's what did it either. It's getting plenty of water. I got a line over there. So, who knows, you know? Who knows? I'm gonna stand up for this. I wonder if that's a good spot. Maybe it should be over here more. You know, for this being such a big drill, I have no idea why they didn't put flutes on this fucker. You know what I mean? Stupid. You know what I mean? 3 flutes so the drill doesn't keep spinning. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure you're not in here when this goes off. Alright, let's see if it'll fit even. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. Maybe even a little bit too big, huh? Let's set this over here. These are real powerful. It's not gunpowder in there, it's flash powder, I think. They're fucking horrendous. They will do the job. Yeah, I think I finally got it deep enough. I put some flutes on that drill bit. But I'm going to have to plug this hole. So, I'm trying to figure out where to start. Wish I could find my other knife. This is redwood. I love redwood. It's easy to work with. Looks pretty. It is soft, but you know, so what? I guess I'm good enough. Look at that. Here's a good spot for the fuse. I gotta leave a... I don't want to fuck up the fuse, so I'm gonna leave a little gap in here. Okay, I think we're ready. Well, fuse a little bit longer than I needed. But let's light it. Here we go. No, I don't think that did anything. I got a bigger one. Oh, it looks like it put a crack in it. It got a crack in it. But I'm gonna have to break out the big boy. Let me do that. Let's clean out the hole. You know that bung I pounded in there? That thing went up, and God knows where the hell that thing is at. It went up. It's like a cannon. Let's see what's in here. Why is this not drilling? Oh, look at that. This is the biggest one I got. It'll fit. But you know what? I'm gonna have to splice this tube because this is glued in there way too good. Alright, we're running out of daylight, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Okay, this is the biggest one I got. Now let's put this baby in here. And where's my groove? There's my groove. Hammered in good. And then light it. Look at the remnants. That one was loud. One ringy dingy, two ringy dingies. Man, that blew the shit out of it. I think I can cut the rest of this out now, maybe. Cool. I gotta replace that. That's for the dogs to eat. Or drink, rather. Cool. Alright. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.